Hello everyone. Welcome to Legal Talk with Atty Franklin. I'm your host, Atty Franklin, and we are gonna speak on yet another topic on this our series of debunking legal myth, meaning trying to clear the way on all these legal misconceptions we have in our Liberian legal landscape. So the topic I'm going to speak about today is called statutory rape, meaning rape by law. And it mainly affects young people, though even the other ones are also affected by it. But I've heard in previous jobs I had and legal awareness sessions I had held in the communities, a lot of young people be like, "Oh, Brabi, they get can say I rape her, they get I'm born. Oh, Brabi, they can say I rape her, that they get approach me. Oh, Brabi, they get can say I rape her, they get and she started doing maybe a long time ago." Because we should know statutory rape involves minors, meaning people who are lower than 18. And when you're lower than 18, in law they say you don't have the legal age of consent, because that age is tied to consent. We should take that into consideration. Under our law, the penal law, which is the big book, has to do with all the crimes. Statutory rape is considered as a felony, meaning it's a big crime. It can lead up to 10 years or even more in jail. So statutory rape is found in the penal law in section 1470, subsection B, Roman numerals 3. And the law speaks about the various elements of statutory rape. And because some people have gone through that case, they even went through the Supreme Court. You know, the Supreme Court in Liberia is the biggest judicial body. We'll also see the different courts that we have in our country on another video. But in Liberia, when you go Magisterial Court, Circuit Court, Supreme Court, after Supreme Court are gone now. So somebody even went way to the Supreme Court with the same case of statutory rape. And one major Supreme Court case is the case of Namely versus His Honor Emery S. Pay. That also went to this, that also discussed this case of statutory rape. And in both the law and the Supreme Court, the elements or the major element considered was always age, which is tied to consent. Why do we talk about age and consent? Under the general principles of law, when you have not reached the age of consent, which is 18 under Liberian law, you cannot enter into any form of contract, both social and formal contract. That's when in Liberia, the legal age of consent for marriage is 18. That's a minimum, So you cannot enter into a contract with somebody when you are below the age of 18.